Today we're looking at the SoundPEATS GoFree 2 wireless earbuds. These wireless earbuds were sent to me by SoundPEATS. As always, if you do want to pick these up, a link will be in the description box down below. And if you find the video useful, a like would be much appreciated, and subscribe for more reviews. So before we dive into seeing what's inside the box, let's just have a quick look around. So on the front, just showing the picture of it. Turn to the side here. 6.2mm dynamic drivers, 35 hours playtime, dual mic for noise cancellation, and then we have some information in the back here as well. So now let's have a look inside the box. So if we just open it up here, this is everything what comes inside the box. So it does come with a user guide, which just gives you a bit of information on the earbuds in many different languages as well. We have an app introduction leaflet here, which just tells you about the SoundPEATS app. We have the earbuds in the wireless charging case, and we have a USB-A to Type-C charging cable. Now let's have a look around the earbuds and at the wireless charging case itself. So if you have a look on the top here, as you can see, it has the SoundPEATS logo there. We turn the charging case to the back, we have the Type-C charging port, which obviously charges the case. Now if we just open it up, as you can see here, the earbuds. Let's get these out for you. They do have this open ear design here for your all-day comfort. Now when you take these earbuds out, they both do connect via Bluetooth 5.3. In my opinion, the Bluetooth range is very good, and the audio and video sync is spot on. These earbuds do have 6.2mm drivers. It has 4 noise cancelling mics for calls, etc. like that. Now with phone calls, people can hear me and I could hear them clearly. These earbuds have around 35 hours playtime with the charging case, but on a single run you could use them for about 9 hours. With charging these earbuds, it takes around 2 hours to charge the wireless case fully, and it takes about 1.5 hours for the earbuds to be fully charged. Now if you was to fast charge them for around 15 minutes, you could get around 2 hours of playtime. In my personal experience and personal opinion, I do find these earbuds really comfortable. I got no pain even after 2 hours of use. Any type of music you listen to can be played with these earbuds, no matter what genre it is. The audio will still sound nice and pleasant. You get no hissing or humming, and you can really tell the low, mids and highs. The bass is really good as well, but just one thing to remember, because of the small size, you won't get the same amount of bass as you would from your regular over-ear headphones. That's all, my friends. Remember, if you do want to pick these earbuds up, I will leave the link in the description box down below. Hope you found the video useful. If you did, leave a like and subscribe for more reviews. Thank you for watching. Take care. See you in the next video.